Welcome, everybody. I'm Michael David. Namaste. Today, we're going to talk about essential oils, and many people on the metaphysical path use the oils, inhale them, simply put a few drops on your hand, rub them in and inhale, or there's many other ways to use them. But the main way is inhalation, and that goes right to your brain, and it affects change, positive mood, or puts you to sleep, whatever each oil has a purpose for. So we're going to start today with cedar wood. Cedar wood is very musky. It's very woodsy. That's when you would use almost like as a cologne sometimes, more natural cologne without all the chemicals. So that's a good one to start with. Cinnamon is known as very warming. That's one of the warming essential oils. So oftentimes they're uplifting or make you feel good. You can put them around your kitchen or clean in your kitchen with them. And there's many things you can do with cinnamon. And all of these oils are at my site, mysteryislands.net. Just click on oils and it will take you there. You want to get really pure, high-grade essential oils as well. Clove is another one. It's very, it's good for removing germs, insects, that kind of thing. You could definitely, some people put cloves in an orange and put it in their kitchen. So you could put essential oils all around your kitchen on a cotton ball or something like that, and in your restroom, anywhere you want to remove germs, insects, that kind of thing. Eucalyptus is good for breathing, actually, and inhalation. A lot of people will put a bowl of hot water that they boiled. You have to be careful not to hurt yourself, and then put the drops in the bowl of water and inhale with a towel over your head. Inhale many times back and forth, and that will clear out your lungs. Or an easier way is to simply rub it in your hands and inhale, and that will decongest you and really clear out your breathing. It's pretty immediate, and it's something you can do right now and clean out your sinuses. There's so many essential oils. I'm just running through a few today so you get the sense of it. Fir is very woodsy. If you want to wear it as a perfume or a cologne or something that's woodsy, you would use fir. That's also good for cleanliness in your environment, in a bathroom or kitchen, something like that. Frankincense, wow, that's a very spiritual oil, and it's mentioned in the Bible. And the wise men brought frankincense to Jesus. So it's very old, it's spiritual. It's very complicated scent. There's a lot of different layers going on with it. And if you're going to meditate, then you can definitely use frankincense in your environment, or add it to your, if you have incense and you're heating up a little bowl of water, add it to that. Or you could spray it in a bottle around your bedroom if that's where you're meditating, or something like that, or praying. Anything having to do with prayer, spirituality, meditation, frankincense, it's heavy and musky, and it's used for spiritual purposes. So that just gives you a flavor of, there's many different oils. But I just mentioned 7 or 8 off the top of my head here with my notes. And go to mysteryislands.net and click on oils, and they are discounted on the site. There's a code that takes you there, and you can check out the oils and start using them in your life. And oils are a tool. If we're on a journey climbing up a mountain, that's what the spiritual path is. One of the tools along the way is essential oils. So we use them as a more natural way to uplift our mood or get us to relax or what have you. And like I said, they are immediate. They go right to your brain. So next, we're going to talk a little bit about key intelligence. The news is oftentimes an illusion or like a movie, and so many of us are looking backstage behind the curtain to see what's really going on. Our minds have been opened. We're enlightened. We took the red pill. So we want to look behind the curtain, find out what's really going on, the real news on our planet. And I have a whole list of websites and people to follow. Some have passed away and some are alive, but they're still on YouTube. You can see their lectures, or if they're alive, then you can go to their websites. And I've listed many. They're at mysteryislands.net under lectures. And some are experts in ancient mysteries, like Dr. Robert Schoch, for example, is a fantastic person who will explain our hidden history. And some do current events today, right now. Some are experts in nutrition, like Mike Adams. And so I'm going to turn you on to all of these very, very smart people. Whether you always agree with them or not is not really the point. We have to be agnostic and judge each piece of information, and if it aligns with us or resonates with us or works with us. But I'm just introducing you to these very, very smart people, and you can check out their work. And that's on my website at mysteryislands.net. So that's the key pieces of information I wanted to pass on today, was in bringing essential oils into your life that will make your life better, richer, a much better experience. I have been using them for years. And I wanted to talk about key intelligence and ways to get the real news. And all of that is on my website at mysteryislands.net. Click on lecture for the news and oils for the essential aromatherapy. Thanks a lot. I'm Michael David. I'll see you another time. Bye-bye.